2021 may have been a difficult year for many. People lost employment, inflation was high, but as far as the country's export sector was concerned, it had one of the best years, even amid numerous challenges. With the likes of tea, rubber and coconut grabbing the headlines, a sector that crept under the radar is the fisheries exports. The total earnings from the exports sector last year stood at $318 million. It might not be in the billions like some other sectors, but the significance lies in the details. Last year's performance is a whopping $318 million from the 2020 figure of $215 million. That's a jump of 47.9%. With Sri Lanka faced with forex issues, this is welcoming news indeed. Once the calculations are done, it also becomes apparent that the trade balance in the fisheries sector is $191.87 million for 2021. The figure is the highest during the past 12 years. This is largely down to fish imports being drastically reduced. Last year, there was 56,176 metric tons of fish imports compared to 85,809 metric tons in 2020. Go back another year, and the import volume was 95,636 metric tons. As for the fish export volume, 26,749 metric tons left the island. It is the third highest fisheries export figure recorded, with the island exporting 28,771 metric tons of fish in 2019.
The main export out of Sri Lanka is fresh tuna and swordfish, but this goes as fresh to European markets. Due to COVID, some markets were closed down, and that is why we record a little bit less in this product. After tuna, the next biggest products are crab and shrimp. These two products last year have performed exceptionally well, and we recorded the highest growth in the shrimp sector last year. Previous best being 8,000 metric tons. Last year we recorded 14,500 metric tons. The introduction of the new species really helped the sector grow.
Further, President of the Seafood Exporters Association of Sri Lanka, Dylan Fernando, explained how the government's assistance to the sector helped in the past year.
The government has helped the shrimp sector by giving a low interest loan of 4.5% for the farmers to intensify their farms by lining their ponds with HGB lining. With this scheme, the farmers can have 3 cycles instead of 2 cycles per year, and the production we are hoping to increase from 14,000 metric ton to 30,000 metric ton by this year.